the tent set up, and we are ready for New Year's. New Year's 2005.
Selamat tahun baru.
Selamat tahun baru.
It's starting in the evening now here. Which he uses for exercise, and the fishermen are now using for fishing. Aji just went out for about an hour and gets some exercise this way and gets to be away by himself for a while. Gets help from his buddies. Saragam Sekolah?
Yeah.
MemeJegeg Merah. My kids have just come back from hours at the market early. What's that big thing you got there, Target? Apa itu?
Rice.
Rice? And that giant thing is all rice? And it's leaking and you...
in the market.
Good job, you bought it in the market. Katut, what do you have? Apa?
Seemed like you went to the rice field and picked it up.
What's that? Bule?
Yeah.
That?
Iya, biasanya.
Wait.
Tadi pesutayannya, Mimi.
Our dinner is this chicken here, right here. Here he is.
Yeah.
Thanks, Target.
Potatoes.
2 kilos of potato untuk Bule.
2 kilogram soup.
Mengapa? Why?
Making bread potato.
Untuk siapa? For who?
For MemeJegeg and Adi.
Not for anak Bali, huh?
Yeah,
Apa ini?
no.
Apa ini?
Ini pear.
Pear, because
pear.
Aji and Target love pears.
Yeah, I
Apa
love
lagi?
pear. Anggur.
Lots of anggur grapes because who loves them?
Yeah, ini Mimi suka.
Okay.
Orange.
Good.
Orange. And banana.
Untuk siapa?
Po Aji.
Harus berangkat jam berapa?
Oh, berangkat jam 5:30.
So you left at 5:30 to get this?
Yeah.
Thank you. Yeah, fisherman on Aji's boat. I have my musician. I have my drummer. I have all my kids. And then Aji has his basketball players over here.
Like the old 60s stuff, you know? We got people with tambourines. We got Eric there with a maraca. We got Kadek here on the djembe. Got a couple maraca guys. And we have the guitar players. Hujan.
Food today, there is our fish. Eric is playing basketball. Little boy from Colorado. Bisa? Bisa! This is what you look like after the accident. scars there, you know. What do you call them? Stitches there, here. Dad's going to try to sit down with his crutches here. And we'll see how hard it is. Actually, it's not a bad one. This one's gone down a little bit, but here. My street is looking more interesting today. Not like usual. Fishermen are not fishing, and lots of things going on here. All dressed up. You mean lebih baik daripada baju na langi? Ya? Bagus. Are you? Gembong isn't afraid of Meme hari ini. Good, she's smiling, she's happy. Meme, anak Bali? Yeah. Very cute. Very pretty. Hari ini. MemeJegeg.
Merentangin menuju di jagati sejak ini nampun sedikitnya bencana sani kewakenang bencana panci bayi itu yang meragu itu yang baru medui lelima kesaktian yang baru ngamul peipakan ketak penting lapis dan ganti maturan sehingga ditutup adong bunga dogen ngidang bunga dogen bunga yang kaget ngeliat kelebihan tadi ngantek kecipat helanan tadi no dan Aduh.